He's ready to crawl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, baby. You tired? Yes. Come on. Come on.
I'm Dr. Scott from Paleontology. What would you call this animal? Right. Now this particular frog lived a long time ago when the dinosaurs were alive. Paleontologists call it Paleobatrachus. A big name for such a small animal.
Yes. Almost there. Almost there.
Paleobatrachus was very
Almost there.
large you see today. It had a big head with
Yes.
eyes and used its
Yes.
to swim in water. It probably fed on small fish, crabs, and other little critters.
All right.
All frogs
Good job, baby.
of animals
Okay.
called amphibians.
Good job.
Live in or near
Love
water.
you.
So the
I
next
love you.
time you see a frog or a
I love you.
salamander, think about their prehistoric relatives like Paleobatrachus that lived with the dinosaurs. Okay, remember, get outside, get into nature, and make your own discoveries.
Crawling, crawling. Yeah, you're doing a good job. Bye, sweetie. I love you.